always serve me, my Lord. The professor talked about law. Let me now give him law, which I don't think he knows. To put the Sharia, we respect our judges. I respect our judges. I have been very privileged in my entire life. I was spent saying, may it please your honor, may it please your lordship. I've interacted with the judges, both at my home, eaten with them, they have invited me to their homes, and so on. And I had the privilege of working as a judicial officer, as a resident magistrate in the colonial days. And I had the privilege, rare privilege, of even marrying from judiciary. This people serving as I say, judicial officers are decent people. We may have some isolated cases of some people who are not what we think they should be. But the people on the whole serving the judiciary are decent people. And as a matter of fact, I've said elsewhere, very loudly too, Kenya is what it is now because of the judiciary. Without Kenya, without the judiciary, you would have something quite different in the country. Judiciary has saved the Kenya, has built the Kenya. We enjoy respect that we enjoy in this country because of, or in the world, because of our judiciary. Our legal authorities by our judges and so on are cited everywhere now, including ICJ and so on. They are cited with approval that they are good laws. So we respect our judiciary. But my lords and my lady, if you look at Article 145, when you're considering Article 145 and Article 150, we have to be extremely careful. We have to be extremely careful. This is a matter touching on security of the country. And you cannot afford just to stick to certain procedural things or certain evidential things and so on. The court is called upon to look at things very broadly. Very, very broadly. What we are saying to your lordship and my lady, very, very respectful, is that so far as I'm concerned, there's nothing wrong with you at all. But there is a significant portion of the Kenyan population who believe that you are not, with respect to the right people to sit and get a case. And I'm saying to you very respectfully, there's nothing wrong. Give us a mutual feeling of good judge will want to have respected you and you get out of this case. We do not want protests in the streets. People come to the streets and say, oh, the judges who are biased, the judges who are biased. We do not want that kind of thing. Some of us are too old to leave this country to go to Uganda or to go to Zanzibar and so on to stay there. We want to stay here and die here. I have gone through an experience which a number of you have not seen at all. When Amin came into power in Uganda, in Kampala, I saw things that were not acceptable. And I'm saying the truth. Let us try as much as possible.
But not at those points of law.
May I say something? With respect to
Dr. Khaminwa, we will consider what you have said. I think you have submitted and we have understood you. We have understood your submission. If you want 2 or 3 minutes to summarize,
thank
please.
you. You always serve me, my Lord. The professor talked about law. Let me now give him law, which I don't think he knows. My lords and my lady, I'm asking you to apply a precautionary principle. A precautionary principle is a principle of environmental law. But this principle has now been translated. It is used in matters of security. On our part, we invaded Somalia when the party was in power because of this precautionary principle. And I'm inviting you very respectfully that you apply that principle, a precautionary principle, when considering the matter under the Article 145 and Article 150. Under Article 145 and Article 150, having in mind the security of the country, so that we do not have protests in the streets of Nairobi, which will destabilize the country and which will put all of us in an embarrassing position. Your Honor, with respect, I'm asking you again, apply that precautionary principle. And when we ask you to get out of this case, we are applying that precautionary principle that we do not want certain evil people in the streets of Nairobi shouting, Hatjapata just
That is a threat.
Thank you very much.
That is a threat.
That's what?
It's a threat. Don't threaten me.
What is it? Precautionary principle is not a threat. Yeah. Can I sit down?
Yes.
I would have liked to go on further.
No, please.
May I say with tremendous respect? My Lord, may I say with tremendous respect? I'm very well read. Thank you.
My Lord,
At times when we're in a court, in open court,
okay, Dr. Khaminwa, please say what you want to say.
yeah, you will say to a judge or judges that I have information that I would like that shows clearly that you cannot hear this matter. Can we go to the chamber so that I can disclose that? I'm not asking that you go to the chamber. All that I'm saying, as lawyers or as advocates, we are also under duty to protect the judicial officers and to protect the institution of the judicial system.
I think
That's what I'll say much more.
that is okay. I think one way of protecting judicial officers is by disclosing in open court like this what is there.
By being blunt.
Exactly.
I see. I'm not with you with respect.
Put it to yourself.
My Lord, next time,
You always serve me in my Lord. The professor talked about law. Let me now give him law, which I don't think he knows.